Hi, my name is Muhammad Umair Alam. I am an active member of Nawafis. The main objective of Nawafis is to connect the professionals and guide job seekers by enhancing their expertise, ability, and job hunting skills. Today, I would like to I would like to tell you about the comfort level and its impact on our life, career, and future. Once someone said that if you do what you have always done, you will get the same what you have always gotten. It's generally observed that when our routine are followed for a long time or for some time in a pattern way, that we start feeling comfortable and make them as our daily routine and habits. Any change, any little change or any little deviation discomfort us, and we wanted to restore the same comfort level, and we wanted to follow the same habit. Let me give you a few examples. Let's suppose it's your daily routine to reach to your home sharp by 6 o'clock from your office, and today you have some urgent work to do, and it's very important to do. Now you have two options. Either you can leave that work and go back to your home, or take as a challenge and leave your comfort and finish your work and then go to home. If you leave your that work, maybe you have to pay some heavy opportunity costs. It must be in the form of money or some other worthy things. There is one more example. Like today, if someone call you for some opportunity, like come and meet me, I have something for you, I need you for this, and your car is in garage, you still feel discomfort because now you are not used to use the local buses. Now what you do? Still you have two options. Either just do a lame excuse that I'm not well or something like that, or either take it as a challenge. Maybe this opportunity hides some worthy thing for me. So in result, if you not go, you might miss a worthy opportunity. You might miss a valuable opportunity. There's another third example that it's just normal you can observe in a people that they are not used to hear any argument, even it's a healthy argument or something like that. If you do any criticism on that, if you give them any advice or something like that. So if you are habitual to hear only a good words about you, about your personality, and if someone give you any advice which might conflict with your mind, and you are not agree to accept this, then it will lead you to the discomfort level, and then in result you will lose a valuable comment, valuable advice which might enhance your personality. It's not bad to keep yourself in a structure and a pattern way, but somehow in the long run it creates a bottleneck, it creates a roadblock in your mind, and it sets your mind and confine your mind in that pattern way, which result in future regret. We normally observe these things in a people that they do 9 to 5 job, and then they after 30s, when they reach to the end of their age, they just tell you that we might get something more, we would get something more because I have enough productive, I was enough productive, I was enough educated, I would have achieved more in my life if I take risk. As a job seeker or a professional, you should keep yourself in a striving condition and like a warrior. Any little or big change cannot change your goal, cannot change your vision, cannot change your mind. Once said by someone that you can change your plan, but you cannot you can change your plan, but not your goals. So now, leave your blankets, get up from the bed, and start your day in a different way, unlike yesterday. At last, all is about to keep yourself more flexible enough, which help you to deal any uncertain or imperfect things, routine, condition, situation more efficiently and effectively. Because every risk or change hide either opportunity, lesson, or growth. I believe these few words will light up your life. Thanks.